it's me. I'm Leah. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we come with a fish plate. We are cooking cod with some oven-baked potatoes and roasted veggies. It's a really Mediterranean dish that combines fish with veggies and some carbs. It is really yummy and can be stored in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days without going bad. So, if you come with me, I'll show you how to make it.
First, we are going to peel the potatoes, and then we are gonna get rid of any ugly spots. Once the potatoes are peeled, we are going to slice them as thinly as possible. I try to make them 1 milliliter thick, but if you have a mandolin, now it's a good time to use it.
Today we'll cook the potatoes along with veggies in the oven, but sometimes I use a pan and I fry them with a bit of oil and then I finish them in the oven. Both options are great. The oven takes a little longer, but it's a little healthier. And if you cook them in the oven, you have to make sure that halfway through, so when you're 20 minutes in, you have to stir it. That's it.
Once the potatoes are sliced, on an oven tray we are going to place some extra virgin olive oil, and then we are going to place the potatoes, making layers and making sure there are no lumps. Once they are placed, we are going to season them with salt, pepper, and we can sprinkle some more olive oil on top. Now I'm peeling one medium-sized onion. I'm using purple onion, but any onion will do. Then we are gonna slice them in julienne cut or as thinly as possible, and then we are going to add them to the oven tray with the potatoes. This is a good time to start preheating the oven to 210 degrees Celsius. We are also going to use green pepper and red pepper. We are going to take all the seeds out, and then we are gonna slice it in julienne too. Once all the pepper is sliced, we are going to add it to the oven tray as well. Lastly, I'm going to cut the red pepper. I'm only using half of it because it was huge. We'll also slice it and cut it in julienne, just like the other veggies. And once it's cut, we are going to add it to the oven tray as well. At this point, we can season the rest of the veggies. I'm seasoning them with olive oil, some salt and some pepper, but you can add whichever spices you like. It's time for the veggies to roast on the oven, so I am going to place them in for about half an hour at 210 degrees Celsius. But of course, we are going to check on them and stir them if we see they are toasting too much on top. In about 30 to 40 minutes, we should see that the veggies are cooked through. So now it's time to add the cod. I'm using unsalted cod and I'm seasoning it with olive oil and then adding tomato sauce on top. It's gonna go inside the oven for about 12 minutes at the same temperature, 210 degrees Celsius. Voila, 12 minutes later, the cod is done. This is a perfect dish to have leftovers of. And believe me, you'll be the envy of all your workmates.
I really hope you enjoyed this dish, and if you did, let me know and tag me on social media. Until next time, and remember, put some Mediterranean flavor in your life.
And subscribe.